Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Great car, guys. Actually, Jay's the one who bought this car. Local gentleman had it. I was actually out of town. He come in, talked to the guys. Jay went over it, just fell in love with the car, and it's very nice, guys. Factory Cranberry red car, black vinyl top, factory bucket seats with console, the black vinyl. Great car. It's got, matter of fact, we've got documentation for it. 2016, 2017 had a complete mechanical restoration. 33 cubic inch GM 4-bolt main engine, 375 horse. And just really a nice car. Runs and drives excellent. Good solid body. Again, original color combination. Just a nice Chevelle. Factory small block car. Again, in 71 you could get the SS in a small block. You can't break these cars down through the VIN. But great car, man. Good solid straight body. Again, runs and drives excellent. Really an easy car to fall in love with. We've ordered a new front bumper for it. You can see it's got the original front bumper and it's got a little wear to it. Other than that, guys, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick. I mean, there's a couple little stone packs, there's a couple little marks in the paint, but very nice car. And a good running small block, guys. Paint's in great shape. It's got the cowl hood. Vinyl tops, very nice. Glass is all in real good shape. Car was actually used in an episode of a commercial. Right, I should say an episode of a TV show, not a commercial. Pretty car. There was a, yeah, you can see, with a couple little touch-up spots there. Again, you can nitpick any of them, guys. Nice and flat down the sides. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are actually 15x8 Corvette, 15.8 in the rear. I think it's 15.7 in the front, with the flat caps. You can see the chrome tips. Car's nice and flat down the sides. We got it up in the air. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Front disc brakes. Yeah, it's all professionally built, 350. It's a 350 block, punched out, so it's actually a 33 cubic inch engine, 375 horse, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. It's got a comp cam in it, roller rockers, Speed Pro pistons. It's got an Eagle crank in it, Headman headers. It's actually got the GM 202 heads on it with the stainless valves, power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have an electronic ignition in it. The 350 trans has got a 2500 stall. You can see it's got the aluminum radiator with the factory shroud. I think it might say 25. It's actually a 2800 stall. Good car. I think you'll like it too when we fire it up here. It's got a good sound to it. Vinyl top's in great shape. Like I say, not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. The car's very nice. Door pads are in good shape. Looks like it's got the original sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sports steering wheel in it. Looks like it's got all the factory correct seat belts. Factory dash. 87,405 on your odometer. That's supposed to be the original miles. Aftermarket radio in it. It's got some aftermarket autometer gauges. Dual exhaust. It's got a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear end in it. It's also got the box trailing arms, and it's got Hotchkis big sway bars, both front and rear. It's got the old bias ply Goodyear spare in it, factory jack. Here's all your paperwork on that rebuild, on the mechanical stuff that he did. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Nice car. Good car. Again, very nice underneath. You can see those big sway bars. Good car. Seats are nice. You can see the gauges are nice and clear. Got new sports steering wheel. It's got rear to fog. Console's in good shape. Nice little cam to it. Pin these without the one-handed pin job here. Bear with me, guys. Gauge works, no on the clock. Does the rear defog work, Jay? Backup lights work. This thing gets its R's quick too, guys. It runs. All your aftermarket gauges are working. Radio works. Blower motor. Yep, does work, guys. Doors open and close, nice. Wiper stick. Hit that again. Hit your bright switch again. Yeah, we just got a little connection. We'll check that front. That front bright bulb is working, though. You can just barely see it. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good car right there.